I see you like destroying my things. Like that irreplaceable vase. Not a problem. Just give me the ticket.
I can destroy stuff too, Dad.
No! Man down! Man down! Just get the ticket from your brother.
He's not my brother!
When he's worth $1 million, he can be your mom for all I care. Maybe you could do that outside for a change.
Change. That's right, Dad. That's what I need. Change. I don't need irreplaceable Steve. I'm an inventor. I can invent some new friends.
All aboard. Gravy train, making all local stops. Toot toot.
Welding! Wiring! Riveting! Alone. So alone! Voila! Although specifically designed for monkey thoughts, there's no scientific reason why the flintlock with thought translator shouldn't work on another lab assistant.
Pant.
Nope.
Pant.
Nope.
I plot your destruction while you sleep.
Nope! No one will ever be like Steve.
Good one, Stevie. But we usually keep our fires in the fireplace!
Subscribe to the Cartoon Network channel for more awesome videos.